Hey guys, this is Derrick White from TopEnhancementReviews.com. This is the new Bathmate Hydromax X30. It's a brand new product that Bathmate has just released. I just received the box a couple days ago in the mail and decided to do an official unboxing video. This is the package that it came in, just a plain brown box. There's no reference to what the product is in the shipping information. And no reference to what's inside the box, because I know that's a lot of guys' main concern. Alright, so we'll open it up here. Inside the box you have another box, plain white box. Once again, there's no reference to what's inside the package still. And we'll open this up. And inside the second box we have the new Hydromax X30, the new Bathmate product. As you can see, the packaging is pretty sleek. I'll open it up here. They did a very good job with it. I just have to take off the sticker because I haven't opened this particular one yet. And there we have it. The brand new Hydromax X30. I know Bathmate's been working on this one for quite a while. Bathmate's actually offering a 25% discount on this new Hydromax X30 right now. You can find the discount through the link underneath my video. Also check out my other review videos on my channel for the original Bathmate and some more upcoming Hydromax X30 reviews. I'm Derrick White from TopEnhancementReviews.com. I'll be updating my channel over the next few weeks, showing my results from this new product. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.